Greetings everyone. In the last video we ended up in the visitor car park for the Kinbombi Falls. There are about 23 camping sites there with some toilets, water tank and picnic tables. From there it's a short walk down into the gorge and a fair few steps until you can catch a glimpse of the waterfall. It is of course dependent on how much water there is in the Kinbombi Creek. From the bottom of the stairs, the view of the fall itself is fairly limited unless you climb some rocks. So I decided to put up the drone and managed to nudge it in between the rocks and the trees to get a better view. The fall is pretty green in color, along with a small rock pool at the bottom. All in all, a pretty easy walk and a very nice small waterfall.